Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, October 30th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. Tonight I'm going to talk about QuickSilver, and I'm going to open up this package that I got in the mail today. But before I get started, I just want to make sure that everything is streaming properly on my end. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're over on my YouTube account, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. That all helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. All right. So this isn't going to be a long video tonight. All right. We will start by going over to the American Precious Metals Exchange and checking out the price of silver. Let me refresh this here. So currently it is $49.23 an ounce spot price, and it has gone up 30 cents in the last week, gone up $2.22 in the last 3 days, and it's up 4 cents in the last 24 hours. So I think we're going to see it level off right around the $50 mark for the time being, which is good. It's a good thing. It's a good sign. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and then I'll talk to you a little bit about QuickSilver and what it's all about and how you can start stacking silver. So every time you make a purchase, one thing I love about QuickSilver is that they will go ahead and donate. They take some of their proceeds and donate money to the nonprofit Feed My Starving Children and help feed starving children all across the world, which is really cool. All right, so this is my, yeah, that's a pretty nice coin. Show you here. This is a Canadian $5 piece, and it has the Superman logo on the one side, and then it has Queen Elizabeth on the other side. Really nice coin here. So that is what came in the mail today. Put it in this case here. All right. I know the lighting's weird, but really nice coin, okay? And what QuickSilver allows you to do is they allow you to set up what they call auto wealth delivery so that you can have silver shipped to your doorstep on autopilot every single month, all right? So you can build wealth with precious metals. So I'm just going to share this with you really quick. Okay, so I'm not going to play any of these videos, and I have plenty of videos all about QuickSilver on my YouTube channel. But basically, it's pure silver and gold bullion from around the world, a diversity of assets to protect and preserve your wealth, automatically receive assets via our auto wealth delivery, ability to adjust quantity and items received monthly at any time, acquire assets essentially free via profit as a wealth ambassador. So when you become a wealth ambassador, for $9.97 a month, plus an auto shipment as low as $10 a month, you have the ability to go and share this opportunity with other people and get paid up to 7 different ways, which I'll talk to you about here in a minute. So basically what I do is I take all of my commissions that I earn and I just reinvest it back into purchasing silver and gold. All right, that's exactly what I did with this Superman coin. I used some of my commissions and bought the Superman coin. All right, instead of withdrawing it and using the money for something else, I just, whenever I have commissions in there, I buy a coin or two. We have challenge packages, which I'm not going to get into. Here's the Hall of Heroes here. These are just different people who have completed the challenge packages. Basically, the challenge packages are, we have 2 different challenge packages. When you complete these challenge packages, the amount of meals that the company sends to Feed My Starving Children doubles. which is pretty cool. This goes over our earnings plan. And then this is our project S4, which is Save Silver, Save Someone. It says here at QuickSilver, it's our mission to not only help people accelerate their wealth, but to also pay it forward by providing meals to starving children and families around the world. So since inception, we've donated over 150,000 meals and counting. And I believe they update this number like every quarter or every few months. So I know it's way more than 150,000 meals now. But it's great to be a part of an opportunity where, they allow you to build wealth with precious metals. You're helping people in need, and then you can build a nice monthly residual income by sharing the opportunity with other people, right? So I'm going to show you right now, briefly just go over the compensation plan. And folks, if you're new here to my channel, I've been doing this for 19 years, full-time since 2018. And out of all the opportunities that I've been a part of and all the opportunities that I'm a part of today, QuickSilver is my favorite for those reasons. You're getting something of value every month in the mail, a tangible asset, right? That's a hedge against inflation. It's a real asset. It's not paper money. The government can't print more of it. It's a hedge against inflation, and it's a great backup plan, right? So when the dollar weakens or inflation rises, silver tends to shine. So this is a good long-term play for mailbox money builders. It's literally real mailbox money. So, and it's something, prices can still move around short-term, but long-term holders, people who are stacking silver steadily, they usually win by staying consistent, So silver is going to continue to go up. It's hovering right now between the $48 and $50 an ounce, but that's, showing solid strength despite market ups and downs. And really, there's such a global silver demand, especially when it comes to solar panels and electric vehicles, that it's outpacing mine production. Right? I watched a silver video the other night, and they were talking about how, and this is a gentleman who owns a coin shop, and how he has to wait a couple of weeks now to get more buffalo nickels, 1 ounce buffaloes, because the refineries are just so backed up, But anyway, this is the QuickSilver compensation plan. I'm just going to go over it briefly. But we earn 7 different ways. All right. We have customer acquisition bonuses. So every time you sign up a wealth ambassador, you're going to get anywhere from $1 to $10 plus, depending on what they order. And the company pays you the second business day after the sale, which is awesome. We have the challenge bonuses. All right. The standard bonuses are $10 and $20. $10 for the trading metals portfolio, $20 for the coin challenge package. Now, right now, what they're doing is, for a limited time, you can lock in earning double challenge bonuses for life by simply buying one of these packages for yourself or selling to a preferred customer, selling one of them to a preferred customer during your first 30 days. When you do that, these bonuses double to $20 and $40. All right. And I can tell you that out of all the people that I brought in, more than half of them come in and purchase one of these right out of the gate. So these bonuses add up really nicely. Then we have the challenge bonus overrides. Okay. So each time one of your personally referred ambassadors sell a challenge package, you're going to get an override. So here we go with the trading metals. Okay. Your standard bonus when your personally referred makes a sale is going to be $2.50. If you're double bonus qualified, it's going to be $5. And for the coin collection packages, it's going to be $5 for the standard and $10 for the double bonus. All right. So these all add up. I mean, this compensation plan is very lucrative for those who join and take action. Okay. Then we have direct commissions. So you're going to get your own e-commerce precious metals site, and each of the products on that site has a point value and a direct commission value. So for an example here, a 2 ounce coin may show 4 points and $1 direct commission. Okay, so you're going to earn these direct commissions each time you either sell, you sell any of the products. It doesn't matter if it's to a retail customer, a preferred customer, which basically is somebody who has an auto wealth delivery set up every month. They get membership pricing or a wealth ambassador. All right, you're going to earn direct commissions. And this is where it gets really fun. We have wealth cycles. Okay, so you can earn up to $20,000 in wealth cycles from points awarded through the infinite depth of your team. Our plan is based on a binary structure. Basically, that means you'll have two teams, a left team and a right team. You start by referring two onto an auto wealth delivery and help them do the same. One starts your left team, one starts your right team. Points come from product sales by you and your team. So, for example, a challenge packages, they're anywhere between $40 for the coin challenge package to 100 points for the trading metals package. And then each auto wealth coin is 10 points. All right. Additionally, items in the shop carry points, like I just mentioned above. And you're going to earn a $10 wealth cycle from every 100 points you get on your left and every 100 points you get on your right. And you might think that this sounds like a lot, but it adds up really, really quick. Okay. So each time you have 100 points on your left and 100 points on your right, that's going to create a wealth cycle. The company pays you $10 and you get paid every business day, which is another awesome benefit of this opportunity, is that you don't have to wait weeks or months to get paid. We have different achievement levels here. All right. So you start at level 1, you can earn 2 wealth cycles or $20 max. And this is on top of all the other ways you get paid. Then you can go all the way up. Right now I'm at level 13. So I can earn 80 wealth cycles or $800 a month maximum, all the way up to level 20, where you can earn up to 600 wealth cycles or $6,000 a month. Okay. Now after this, you move on to the leadership levels and bonuses. So it says when you arrive here, the amount of personally referred points required in the last 30 days is reduced to 5%, and a minimum left and right team points is added. As a leader, your focus is now more so on your team's continued growth and success. So level 21, you can earn up to $8,000 a month and receive a $500 leadership bonus. Level 22 is $11,000 a month and a $1,000 leadership bonus. Level 23 is $15,000 a month max and a $2,000 leadership bonus. And level 24, which is the highest level in the company, you're looking at $20,000 a month max with a $5,000 leadership bonus. All right. So that's what we're all striving to do on my team, on our team. And then we have our matching wealth cycles. So you earn, when your personally enrolled wealth ambassadors earn wealth cycles, you can earn matching wealth cycle bonuses. To qualify to earn 10% matching bonuses, you simply refer one new wealth ambassador within your first 30 days. And to qualify to earn 50% matching bonuses, you simply refer 3 new wealth ambassadors within your first 30 days. All right. So imagine over time, the collective of your personally sponsored wealth ambassadors earn a combined total of $10,000 in wealth cycles monthly, and you're at a 50% matching bonus, right? You'd get a $5,000 bonus. And even if you're at 10%, that'd be a $1,000 bonus. So that is the compensation plan. And like I said, if you're an action taker, it can be super lucrative. It just depends on what you're going to get out of this, what you put into it. But the cool thing about it is, unlike other MLM companies or network marketing companies, you're getting something of real value, regardless of if you are a recruiter or not, right? I mean, you're getting, like I said, you're getting something tangible that has value, that's going to continue to go up in value no matter what. So to me, it's worth the $9.97 a month plus auto ship. And I'll show you how you join here. All right. So right here, you would just go to get started. And you can become a retail customer. Believe it or not, I have people that just come to the store that I have and they just buy once in a while. But you can become a preferred customer by setting up an auto wealth delivery every month. Okay. You're going to get membership pricing, no membership fees, and there's no long-term commitment. Or you can become a wealth ambassador where you get preferred customer pricing, a wealth platform to earn profits, and you can create a lucrative residual income if you're willing to put in the work. All right. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money if you join me in this, but the action takers who do join me, they get results. Okay. So you just fill this out. And then right now they're waiving their one-time $20 activation fee. So you're going to get your wealth platform, which includes a business management area, a personalized QuickSilver website, an e-commerce enabled shop, customer and member support, and much more. All right, that's $9.97 a month. Then you choose one of these options below. You choose something from option 1, which is precious metals only. You can get a 10th ounce silver for $9.77, all the way up to 10 1-ounce silver coins for $559.70. These prices do fluctuate based on the spot price of silver. Excuse me. Or you can choose something from option 2, which is one of our challenge packages. Okay, we have the trading metals package here right now. It's on sale. You can save $10. It's $114.52. These come with 10 1-grain silver cards and 5 quarter-grain gold cards. And then we have the coin collecting package. Okay, you can save $30 on this right now. That's $139 plus 1 coin for $194.97, all the way up to a complete kit, which is 16 coins for $1,034. All right, so you just choose whatever fits your budget and whatever you want, shipped to your door, and then you just click next, and you just sign up, pay and sign up, and then you're going to be placed on our team. I will put you into our binary wealth cycle program, and then you just, start collecting silver, stacking silver and gold, and start sharing the opportunity with people. When you join, you'll get my resource page and everything you need to get started. So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to end this video. I don't want to keep yakking about this, but I think you get the point. And again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Also, one cool thing that they do is they allow you to give free silver to people who just want to take a tour of our opportunity. Okay, so you can go and get a free silver bar by visiting freesilverbar.com. Check out the opportunity, watch all the videos. If it's not for you, you just simply unsubscribe. But it'll answer most everybody's questions, and then you can get started through that link, and they'll send you a free gram silver bar just for checking it out. Okay. So anyway, I appreciate each and every one of you. I see a few people on here tonight, but unless somebody leaves me a comment, I don't ever see any names. But I do appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.